Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem, calculate the focal length for a given mirror. So basically there are two types of mirror, concave and convex, okay. Basically in concave mirror, the outer surface is painted, okay, while in a convex mirror, the inner surface is painted, okay. Now the formulas for both of them is, for concave it is radius divided by 2, while for convex it is radius divided by 2, but a minus sign comes with it, okay. So basically this is the formula. We just need to apply if concave or if convex, and then we just need to apply the formulas and we can easily solve the question. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's solve the question. What you need to do is, you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty, choose school, okay. Then find the problem, okay. The problem is over here. 1 minute. The problem is, determine the focal length of a spherical mirror, okay. Once you find the problem, click on solve. Okay, let's solve the problem. Here is the question. Find the focal length of the spherical mirror with the given radius of curvature r. Okay, now we need to code it over here. So let's code it. It's a very easy question. Okay, so let's quickly code it. Okay, now first step is if. Okay, if the type of the mirror is equal to concave. Okay, if the type of the mirror is equal to concave, then I need to return with what? 1 minute. Let me import math over here first. Import math. Okay, so I need to return with math dot floor. Okay, 1 minute. Math dot floor. Okay, circular brackets r, radius of curvature divided by 2. Okay, this is for concave mirror. Else, okay, else if the mirror is convex, else return math dot floor, 1 minute, floor, circular brackets over here minus radius of curvature, 1 minute, divided by 2. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Okay, let's wait. Okay, there is a runtime error. Let's check where is the problem. Okay, so the type, okay, 1 minute. Okay, now compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait. The problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem. Determine the focal length for the given spherical mirror. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.